How to see your orders on AliExpress. Are you guys facing issue to see your orders on AliExpress website? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Chrome on your laptop or mobile devices. Once you open the Chrome, now search for AliExpress website. After you enter the website, log in into your account with your registered email and password. As soon as you get logged in, look at the top right corner of your screen where you can see your profile icon. Click on it. After you click on it, look at the first option, My Orders. You are trying to see your orders, right? Click on My Orders. After you click on My Orders, after you click on it, your orders will be shown in this section. And that's it, guys. That's how you're going to view your orders on AliExpress website. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. If you guys have any issues regarding AliExpress, make sure to comment down below so that I can help you out. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.